Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Beck, and today I am doing a plant unboxing. This is very exciting. This is the first time I've ever ordered plants online. As you may know if you follow my social media platforms, I've recently started amassing a plant collection. It's been really awesome. And I follow Harley G on YouTube. She's another lovely plant lady. And she mentioned this site. It's actually a pet site, but they also do plants. And when I saw the prices and some of the cool stuff they had, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out because I've been very curious. Now, the first thing I noticed is that this box is much smaller than I was expecting because I ordered 4 plants. So I'm guessing these plants are quite small. Let's drink my kombucha here. Okay. So I'm excited, and I ordered these, I believe it was on Thursday. Today is a Saturday. Yeah, because it was like super quick. I need to be careful here. So I'm excited. Hopefully they made it. It's only been 2 days. It hasn't been like cold or anything crazy. So hopefully they're packed well. The ones she got seem to be packed really well. Excited. Oh my god. So I don't know if it's going to have like a paper of what I got, but I'm gonna try to remember what these are. So here's one. Some dirt has fallen out. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks like some of the dirt has fallen out, but hopefully they'll be okay. Obviously they're gonna be a little worse for wear just because, you know, they've been traveling. But it looks like they're, from what I can tell, pretty good so far. Now, I believe this is the Pothos. Ooh, yep, some dirt is falling out. See, I decided to do this outside. This was a great idea. I've watched enough of these videos. Oh my gosh, so this is a little Pothos. It's a little variegated Pothos. There's some dirt on here, but the plant itself looks pretty good. So we've got here, and it came in these little containers. So I'll have to get a couple new pots for these guys. And the company, I don't know if I mentioned it, this is from Josh's Frogs. Their prices were really, really good. A lot of their stuff was sold out, so I'm hoping to go back and get some more stuff at some point. But anyway, this is super cool. I believe this was a variegated Pothos. I don't know. I'll put it down in the, like, below. But, oh, that's so pretty. And it looks like it's in fairly good condition, so that is really exciting. So there's that. I don't want to put it on the ground because, like, bugs. Okay, so here's the next one. I'm completely spacing all the names. Oh wait, duh. I keep thinking like I'm on my phone filming. That's not a thing. I can just look in my email at the list of things I got. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, so the first one was the Epiperium and Enjoy Pothos. That's what it's called. And this one is the Alocasia Purply. So I have not had an Alocasia before, so I'm really excited. Oh, yep, there's some dirt. The first one didn't have tape on it for the dirt, but hopefully this one is okay. Alright, this one looks, it's definitely small. But this is, it's definitely a little shaken up, poor thing. So it's got tape on it. Well, it's got these adorable little leaves. It's got the purple underneath. Hopefully once I water these and get these settled, they'll be okay. It looks like it lost a fair amount of dirt, so I'm glad they put this tape over it because I think the plant would have fallen right out. But it's pretty good. So it's a little alocasia. It's so cute. So very excited. Alright. Now the next one, this is one I'm really, really excited about. Oh, yep, falling out. It's this one. This one I'm super excited. And this is so tiny. Each of these, I believe they were all $4.99. Yes, all of these plants were $4.99. It's a little rubber tree. So excited. Yes, a rubber tree. This is a Ficus Elastica burgundy rubber tree. Oh my god. Now these can literally grow to be like actual trees, like giant trees. And so they say to, you know, start off small. There is a little bit of a thing here, but that's okay. You're beautiful and I love you. So I'm super excited for that. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. So pretty. I'm really glad they put the tape over this. Smart move, guys. All right, and the last plant, this was the one that I had never seen before. The other ones I've seen before, but this one I hadn't seen before, but I was really drawn to it. So again, these are all $4.99. And this one is called, this is another Alocasia, and this is Tiny Dancers. Ooh, yep, dirt's falling out. Okay. And it looks like this. And this supposedly is supposed to grow fairly tall. I believe this is not, to go back to this is not a dwarf Alocasia. The purple one, so it should grow fairly big. And then this one, look at the leaves on that. Isn't that so cool? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. So these are all in really good condition. I was excited because when Harley did the did her unboxing, everything looked really well packaged and everything. So I was like, okay, cool. And then the price was like really amazing as well. So I've got dirt all over myself. So this is very exciting. I'm just so stoked about this unboxing. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit the like button and the subscribe. I definitely want to do more videos like this in the future, so I'm really, really excited. Let me know if you enjoyed it. So if you'd like to check out my other social media platforms, the link to that is in the description down below. And yeah, comment down below if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys soon. Many blessings, namaste, and don't forget, it is all about that soul journey. Bye! I did just want to note that underneath all the plants, there was actually this thank you note from Josh's Frogs, and a little plant care guide, which is cool. And then they did actually have a like an order form printout. So I don't know if I like opened the box upside down. I opened it from the side where the address was, but anyway, that came in there too, which was really cute. So I just wanted to note that as well. All right, thank you so much, guys. Bye.